In a world where pastel clouds rolled across the sky like cotton candy, two birds, Chirp and Tweet, were having a heated debate. "I bet you can't fly through that cloud without sneezing," challenged Chirp. Tweet, always up for a dare, flapped his wings and zoomed towards the fluffy mass. As he emerged on the other side, he let out a thunderous sneeze that echoed across the sky. "Told you," Chirp laughed. Tweet, with a twinkle in his eye, replied, "At least I didn't turn into a rainbow this time."